Hey guys, Francesco with Fran-Mar Collision, family owned and operated business since 1981, located here at 111 Jewett Avenue. Okay, so you get into an accident. What do? First and foremost, you want to make sure you're in a safe location for both you and the other driver. You want to make sure that you're out of harm's way at this point and that you or anyone in your vehicle or the vehicle that you're involved with is not injured. And if they are, make sure you call 911 as soon as possible. So there are three things that you'll need in an accident. It's going to be license, registration, and insurance. And sometimes you might not have a party that's willing to cooperate. The police may not show up. You can access the civilian accident report from New York State DMV's website. Download it, fill it out, and send it to Albany. And this will generate a report stating that the accident did in fact take place. Your phone is a great asset. Take pictures of license plate, damage, and the location of the accident. Once you've got this information, you can upload the photos on our website or just call us at 718-447-6422, and then we'll help you figure out what your options are. Do you go through the insurance or do you pay out of pocket? You may not have to go through insurance, but once we've gathered all your information, we'll help you figure out your repairs and get you back on the road as soon as possible. Leave your car at Fran-Mar and your worries in the rear view.